solemnly swear that I will faithfully and impartially discharge my duties as the Cabinet of the Electoral Committee of the Alumni of Young Doctor Association KP to the best of my abilities and in accordance with the Constitution, bylaws and ethical principles governing this association. I pledge to uphold the principles of transparency, fairness and integrity in the electoral process, ensuring that all members of YDA-KP have an equal opportunity to participate and that their voices are heard. I will conduct myself with the utmost professionalism, ensuring that no personal bias or conflicts of interest interfere with the impartially required for this role. I understand the importance of this role in preserving the free values of our association and pledge to carry out my responsibilities without fear or favor, with the sole aim of promoting the best interests of YDA-KP. I further commit to maintaining the confidentiality of sensitive information and respecting the trust placed in me by the Young Doctor Association KP and its members. So help me Allah, and I do solemnly affirm. Mubarak.